Car battery corrosion is a common problem that can affect your car's performance and battery connection. Cleaning the corrosion helps remove the white or green buildup on the terminals and keeps the battery working properly. Here are simple methods to clean car battery corrosion. Baking soda helps neutralize battery acid, remove corrosion, and clean car battery terminals safely. To clean car battery corrosion, take a glass and add some baking soda into it. Then add some amount of water into the glass to make a paste. Mix it well. Pour this paste onto the corroded battery terminals carefully, ensuring it spreads over all affected areas. Let it sit for a few minutes so it can react with and loosen the corrosion. Scrub the battery terminals with a brush to remove the loosened corrosion completely. Wash the car battery terminals with clean water to remove any remaining baking soda and residue. Make sure no paste is left behind so the terminals are fully clean. After cleaning, you will see that the battery corrosion and other grease residues are removed, leaving the car battery clean and clear. To clean car battery corrosion, first disconnect the battery terminals carefully to ensure safety before starting the cleaning process. Then use a screwdriver to remove the corrosion residue from the battery terminals carefully. Next, sprinkle battery terminal cleaner foam helps remove corrosion, dirt, and grease from car battery terminals. It improves electrical connection, prevents rust buildup, and keeps the battery clean for better performance. Then sprinkle some water onto the car battery terminals to clean away the remaining residue. Next, wipe the battery terminals with a paper towel to remove any remaining moisture and residue. Then apply some dielectric grease to the battery terminals with your finger to help prevent future corrosion. Next, reconnect the battery terminals to the battery and tighten them securely. After cleaning, you can see that the battery corrosion is removed and the battery looks clean. To clean car battery corrosion, first pour hot water carefully over the battery terminals to loosen and remove the corrosion buildup. Make sure the water covers the affected areas so the residue can be cleaned easily. Then use sandpaper to gently scrub the battery terminals and remove the remaining corrosion and dirt. Rub the surface carefully until the terminals become clean and free from residue. Next, use a Dremel tool with a cleaning attachment to clean the battery terminals and remove any remaining corrosion. Carefully polish the terminal surface until it is clean and smooth for a better connection. Then wipe the battery with a microfiber cloth to remove any remaining dust and residue. Next, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the battery terminals to protect them from future corrosion. Spread the grease evenly around the terminals for better protection and longer-lasting performance. Then connect the battery terminals back to the battery and tighten them securely. After cleaning, you can see that your car battery is clean. To clean car battery corrosion, first disconnect the battery terminals carefully before starting the cleaning process. Then wipe the car battery with a paper towel to remove moisture, dirt, and remaining residue. Next, use electric battery terminal cleaning brush helps remove corrosion, rust, and dirt from car battery terminals effectively. It provides deep cleaning to improve electrical connections and reduce starting problems. The brush makes battery maintenance easier while preventing future corrosion buildup. Using it regularly keeps your car battery clean, improves performance, and helps extend the battery's overall life. Next, reconnect the battery terminals securely and make sure they are properly tightened. After cleaning, you can see that your battery is clean and the corrosion on the terminals has been removed. Noco Battery Terminal Cleaner Spray helps remove corrosion, dirt, and grease from car battery terminals quickly and effectively. It improves electrical contact by cleaning the terminal surface and reducing connection problems. The spray helps prevent future corrosion buildup and keeps battery terminals protected. Using it regularly helps maintain battery performance and extends the life of the battery. WD-40 helps loosen dirt, grease, and residue from car battery terminals during cleaning. It can help protect metal surfaces from moisture and reduce corrosion buildup. The spray makes it easier to remove stubborn deposits and keeps terminals cleaner. Using WD-40 properly helps maintain better battery connections and improves reliability. To clean car battery corrosion, first disconnect the battery terminals, starting with the negative terminal. Use a wire brush to loosen and remove corrosion from the battery terminals. Brush thoroughly around the terminals until all corrosion is cleaned away. Then, spray CRC battery cleaner generously onto the battery terminals and surrounding areas to dissolve any remaining corrosion and buildup. Allow the cleaner to foam and penetrate the deposits, helping to neutralize corrosion and restore clean electrical connections. Use the wire brush again to remove any remaining corrosion, ensuring the battery terminals are completely clean and smooth. Wash the car battery with fresh water to remove any remaining cleaner, corrosion residue, and loosened debris. Wipe the car battery thoroughly with a clean microfiber cloth to remove moisture and leave the surface dry and clean. Reconnect the car battery terminals and tighten them securely to ensure a safe and reliable electrical connection. After cleaning, you can see that your car battery looks clean, fresh, and free from corrosion. So, by applying these effective methods and products, you can successfully clean car battery corrosion.